Welcome to my channel, Crafting with me, Indiana Jones, and welcome to Historic Holidays at the Deerig Estate. I've been volunteering at the Deerig Estate for 7 years. In the past 3 years, I have been designated a room to decorate and design of my own. This year's theme was the holidays around the world, specifically in locations that the Deerig family has spent some time. So please enjoy this little tour of the Deerig Estate at Christmas time. I'll tell you a little more about my room when we get to there. This year, as well as last year, I had the scholar room. And just to give you an idea of what the room looks like before I decorate it, this is usually where the scholar would stay when he would come to visit. And we had botanists and other scientists, marine biologists, who would stay with the Deering family when they visited South Florida. Now, it was very austere. As you can see, this room is beautiful, I think, and it has a lovely view of the ocean, but wait till you see it after I give it my little touch of magic. Because this was the scholar's room, my inspiration was horology and cartography, in other words, watchmaking and map making, and I was going to incorporate that into a semi-steampunk kind of look for this room. Jimmy of Jimmy's Bright Ideas provided some of the lamps and furniture. So here's a little tour of the room that I got to decorate for Christmas this year at the Deering estate. And many, I would say all of the items were basically thrifted, as many as I can. I think only a few ornaments I had to buy new, but everything else was thrifted, found, borrowed, whatever I could do. These beautiful leather chairs were the inspiration for the colors that I decided to choose for this room. Now, enjoy the little tour. You may recognize some of these ornaments that I made and I had videos of, so I'll include links to these videos in the description down below. While I was decorating, there were many visitors that were so curious about this dress, thinking that it was from the time period. And it was a costume. I did find it amongst the things in the basement that were used by the previous designer, and he said to go ahead and use it because I thought it was a perfect traveling frock. I'll also include a link to the visit to Mount Dora, where I found many of these thrifted items. Even the outside wraparound porch was decorated to the nines with beautiful Christmas trees. I just wanted to give you a little taste of the beautiful scenery from the Richmond Cottage. The Richmond Cottage is over 100 years old, and it stands next to what we call the Stone House. The Stone House was built because Mr. Deerig was very afraid that his art collection would be destroyed by a fire because of all the wooded areas nearby. So there isn't even a kitchen in the Stone Cottage. The kitchen resides here in the Richmond Cottage, which you saw earlier. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of South Florida sunshine. I don't know where you are, but I'm hoping that you're having a wonderful New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Thanks again for stopping by. If this is your first time here, please consider to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you all for your continued love and support throughout the year. As always, stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you. And remember to live the adventure, and I'll see you next year.